In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for Agile project management. Start by going to Atlassian and making sure you're already logged in. Once you're in, click Create and then choose Create Board. This is where you'll set up the workspace your team will use to track Agile tasks from planning all the way to completion. When the board setup opens, name the board Scrum Board, then click Create. Keeping the board name simple and clear makes it easy to recognize, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now it's time to build the workflow. Click Add List and create your first list called Backlog. This is where all task ideas, requests, and future work will live before they're scheduled. After that, keep clicking Add List to create Sprint, In Progress, Review, and Done. These lists represent the typical path of work in a Scrum-style Agile process. Backlog holds upcoming work. Sprint contains the tasks selected for the current cycle. In Progress shows what's actively being worked on. Review is for checking or approval, and Done is where completed tasks go. Next, go to the Backlog list and click Add Card. Enter your task names one at a time and press Enter after each one to quickly add multiple items. These cards are the individual pieces of work your team needs to complete. Keep task names short and clear so anyone looking at the board can understand them at a glance. Once your backlog has tasks in it, drag the cards you want to work on now from Backlog into Sprint. This helps you separate everything that could be done from what the team is actually committing to right now. To make a task more useful, click on a card to open it. In the description area, add the important details, such as what needs to be done or any notes the team should know. Click Members to assign the task to the right person. Click Due Date to set a deadline so the timeline stays visible. Then click Labels to mark priority, which is a simple way to show what's urgent, important, or blocked. As work moves forward, drag cards across the lists. Move them from Sprint to In Progress when someone starts working, then to Review when the work is ready to be checked, and finally to Done when it's complete. This visual movement is what makes Trello so effective for Agile project management, because everyone can instantly see the status of the work. Review the board daily and update task status as things change. A quick daily check keeps the board accurate and helps the team stay aligned. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. You now have a simple Scrum board in Trello that helps organize tasks, track progress, and support an agile workflow. Keep your board updated consistently, and it'll become a reliable view of what's planned, what's active, and what's finished. Congratulations!